You can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us. Follow us on Facebook for further updates. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe so I can quickly deliver more videos on various topics. If I again needed to subnet, I will again do it for the same 1.0 network. Okay. Until I have enough IPs in this 1.0 network, I don't need to go for the 2.0 or 3.0. That is the idea here. Okay. So in this way, I can save from the 192.168.2.0, 3.0, all I can save. I can use it later. Okay. So now in the next, our requirement is going to be 192.168.1.0/24 to be again subnetted for the 100 hosts per subnet. Okay, you can see this. Now note down, it's /24. Earlier it was /16. We subnetted for 250 hosts and we found it as 0.0/24, and now 192.168.1.0/24 for the 100 hosts per subnet requirement. So here what's happening is 2 to the power h greater than or equal to 102. So 100 plus 2 is 102. H equals 7. 2 to the power 7 is going to give you host bits are 7. Again the same calculation. So 32 minus 7 is 25 bits are going for the network portion, and you are writing the subnet mask as 255.255.255.128. Why? If it is 24, you are going to write 255.255.255, and 25 means one more bit on the 4th octave. If one bit borrowed, you need to write 128. Okay. Next, here you can find the last change occurred octet is the 4th octet, which means 128 in the 4th octet. You can deduct this 128 from 256 in order to get the multiplier. So here the multiplier is on 4th octet. 256 minus 128 is 128 on 4th octet. So you can write the networks by 192.168.1.0/25 now. Okay, after our subnetting. So the next network is going to be increased by 128 in the 4th octet. So which is 192.168.1.28/25 again. Okay. So which represents 25 here, you can note down. Then still we have our 192.168.2.0 and 3.0/24, which we saved earlier. I just bring it here to note down. Okay. Here you can use this 192.168.1.0/24 has been subnetted into 192.168.1.0/25 and 1.128/25. Two networks we found. So we'll take the first network for the 100 hosts. You can find it's having around 128 IPs, right? Multiply your 128 means you are going to have 128 IPs. Multiply 128 means you are going to have 128 IPs on this particular subnet. So I can write the first network address 192.168.1.0/25 and 1.1/25 is the first valid host. Then the last broadcast address can be found by 192.168.1.128 minus 1, which is going to give me 192.168.1.127/25. This is my broadcast address. Then if I deduct again 1 from this broadcast address, I will find the last valid host, which is 192.168.1.126/25. And next subnet I can get 192.168.1.128/25. Okay. So likewise, now I have subdivided the 1.0/25 network and got 100 hosts in this particular subnet. Okay. So what is my next purpose? I need 50 hosts per subnet for the other branch LAN. Okay. For that 50 hosts, I can simply find, rather than going for the 192.168.2.0, I can again subnet this 192.168.128/25, right? Why? Because it is also having around 128 addresses, right? So I can again subnet this one. So let's do the calculation for that in the next slide.